Pred nami sta še zadnji tekmi sezone, v kateri smo doživeli marsikaj. Razborljiva sezona je bila precej stresna tudi za nogometaše. Eden tistih, ki je doživljal tako vzpone kot padce, je bil tudi Sintayihu Salalih. Santi je potegnil črto pod skoraj končano sezono.
Every season I learn something, especially from this season because we have three coach. And I start like a winger like always, and then I came in midfielder, and then again my situation changed with Milanic, but you know it just give me more motivation, more power to train hard and try to show myself, and you know, like a team, like a club. It was strange season. And we hope that we will finish this season with sweet taste.
Sladek zaključek bi bil osvojitev pokalnega naslova. Eden najbolj zaslužnih, da je Maribor v finalu, pa je prav Izraelec, ki je na povratni tekmi z Zavrčem odigral pomembno vlogo v zaključku tekme in v podaljšku. To je bil tako rekoč njegov comeback.
I prepare myself, I work hard for this moment, and when I get my chance I take it. And I'm happy with this, that I help to my team to go for the final and also for other games. I'm here, you know, we are 24, 26 players, not everybody can play and everybody have to wait for his chance, and when you get your chance you need to take it.
Tik pred zaključkom sezone ima Santi na računu 5 golov, tako kot sezono poprej. S to razliko, da ima letos bistveno manj asistenc.
Of course, I want to score more and I want to give assist more and to help to the team. It's not happened, but okay. For the last month, I came inside and I tried to make my best and everything, but I expect more from myself.
Forma se ob koncu sezone vrača, to pa bo lahko dokazal tudi v preostalih 2 tekmah. V igri je še ena trofeja. Toda pred pokalnim finalom sredi naslednjega tedna je tu še zadnja ligaška tekma. Ob slovesu od Ljudskega vrta za dober mesec je tu še vprašanje najboljšega strelca sezone. Jean-Philippe Mendy je v dobrem izhodiščnem položaju in soigralci bo proti Gorici skušal dodati še kakšen zadetek, tudi v luči pozitivne energije za sredin pokalni finale.
Against Gorica we will try to win this game for the fans, for our supporters, because they come every day, every game, doesn't matter where it is, and we will try to let them to finish this 2 games with some, I don't know, with good feeling. We know they are also disappointed and they are not happy with this season, but we will try to give everything at home, to let them to feel good with smile and everything, and then again to go to Koper, try to take cup and start to think about next season.